Pure bliss, so natural. Everything cool and it day natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Pure bliss, very nice and so natural. Make your skin tight, skin fine. Make your skin so natural, skin fly. Make your skin day spotless, skin.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a DIY of stretch mark removal cream. Here is my workstation. In my workstation I have here my mixing bowl as usual. So guys, I will not fail to emphasize that you always sterilize your workstation. I rinsed this with very hot water, cleaned it with alcohol before you use. You know, I have a lot of complaints coming from people. I made the same mixture you made and my cream changed color. You have to be very careful. The measurements you use, your workstation, your hands should be clean, sterilized. Your spoon should be always washed, sterilized, cleaned. Workstation very clean before you start making any mixture. So today I'm actually going to be making stretch mark cream. This is a promixing method because I'm going to be using organic, and I'm going to be using a part organic and a part promixing. So guys, here quickly I would like to introduce to you my very powerful and main ingredients here, which is python fat. So this python fat is derived from snake, and it has so many health benefits, and so many skin benefits. This is very good for stretch mark. This can help to treat eczema, other skin conditions. It also can relieve arthritis. It's a natural skincare which is good for dry skin. You have cracking skin, you can apply this in your cream or lotion just in minimal quantity. Applying python fat alone will help bring back the moisture of your skin and protect your skin. And this fat is good for skin disorders. If you have sores, boils, itchy skin, scaly skin, dry skin, python fat is very good. So without wasting much of your time, I'll be going to my next ingredient, which is the omi aro. Omi aro, so many people wrote me to ask what's the name of omi aro in English. This is actually it's called herbal water, and this is an anti-reaction herbal water. It can help to clear skin reactions on the skin. Do you have white dots? Do you have rashes? Do you have eczema? If you promix this in your cream or in your soap, in your black soap, it will help. You need to use this over time. Usage over time will help to clear all those things on your skin. So this is also good for green veins, thin skin. You apply this, mix this in your black soap, and it will help to repair the skin. So guys, this is my sunflower oil. I'll actually be using this to melt my python fat. This is actually 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. And here I have my stretch mark creams, which I'll be using to promix for today. This is my lavender oil. I'll be adding some drops of my lavender oil into the mixture. This is miracle powder. Miracle powder is also very good for the skin. It will help to clear issues on the skin. I'll also be adding in vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very good for the skin. Vitamin E oil directly to the skin in a cream or oil is a highly effective way to increase levels of nutrients in your skin. So we're going to be adding in vitamin E oil, which is good for the skin. There are so many people that use vitamin E oil and it's working super on their stretch marks. So guys, this is another good one. This is my shalom oil. Shalom oil is very good for stretch mark. If you apply this shalom oil alone on your stretch mark, give yourself 14 days, your stretch mark will disappear. So I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of shalom oil into this mixture. So not forgetting also our preservative. I'm going to be adding in also a half tablespoon of preservative into the mixture. So guys, let's get down to work. I'm going to start promixing now. So we're needing my python fats in my mixing bowl. Oh, this doesn't smell good at all. I have to be honest. So we're going to be needing our fragrance also. I'm going to be getting my fragrance. So we're going to be putting this sunflower oil, or if you have avocado oil, that will also do. So here I have my boiled water. I already boiled some water. I'm going to be putting this into boil water and allow it to melt. So this is the python fat melting in hot water. Fat so it has melted in. I'm just going to be draining the oil out. Okay, so guys, this is my python fat which I already melted in a double boiler method. You don't have to allow the heat to be too low, you know, because we're trying to melt the fat. You can also use a frying pan or a pot that you do not use to cook. Unfortunately, I didn't have a fry pan that I don't use, so I decided to go with the double boiling method. And I decided to filter the unsaturated fat. You know, I decided to filter the unsaturated fat out. So this is what I got. You need so oil-like consistency without moles in there. So this is what I got. So I'm going to be starting off. You can use any stretch mark cream of your choice. So today I'll be using the Vet stretch mark. This is Expo, guys. I'm giving out everything for this stretch mark cream. Try this stretch mark cream at home. I also have other methods which I'll be showing on this channel in the future on how to make stretch mark cream, how to make eczema cream, white dots cream, green veins cream. I'll be showing those in the future. So I'm actually using two different kinds of stretch mark removal creams. Putting this in my mixing bowl. These are very effective stretch mark creams, but to make it even more effective, we're going to be mixing it with the our organic python fat. Our omiaru is also going in there to make it super effective. If you use this morning and night for 2 weeks, 14 days, call me to tell me the results. So this is it, guys. I'm going to be putting everything in there. So my stretch mark cream, you can also do this in the organic method, which I have promised to show in the future in this channel. The organic method of how to make your python fats, how to make your stretch mark cream. This recipe, it's a very effective one, but the smell you get from the python fat, it's no joke, guys. It's no joke. So make sure your windows are wide open, your doors are wide open, because, and you make sure probably you eat something before making this recipe, because the python fat smells really bad. So that's why it smells really bad. That's why we need our preservative, that's why we need our fragrance. That is not optional. Fragrance is a must, and I will be using vanilla fragrance for this recipe. So this is it, guys. I had to change my mixing bowl. The mixing bowl I had earlier was a little bit smaller, so I'm going to be putting in my python fat oil in there. I'm just going to be turning it all in there. So this is my shalom oil. I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of my shalom oil into the mixture. So for my vitamin E oil, you just need a little bit of vitamin E oil into the mixture. So next I'll be adding in my omiaru into the mixture. 1 tablespoon of omiaru into the mixture. So I have here my lavender oil. I'm just going to be putting in some drops of lavender oil, 4 to 5 drops of lavender oil into the mixture. I have here also miracle powder. As the name implies, it's really a miracle powder. Just a pinch of miracle powder into this mixture. So guys, not forgetting my preservative. Half tablespoon of my preservative into the mixture. We're also going to be adding fragrance into this mixture. This is actually vanilla fragrance, so I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla fragrance into this mixture. So I'm going to be incorporating this all together. This is it, guys. If you have very stubborn stretch marks and you do not want to opt for laser like me, then you make this mixture at home. But do not forget to add in your fragrance, because this doesn't smell so good. I'm going to be going in with my hand whisker. So this is it, guys. This is a stretch mark cream. It actually smells so good right now. Yes, guys, so you need to try this stretch mark cream at home. Looking forward to reviews. It melts my heart when I get calls from people that have used my recipe and they give good reviews, send me pictures, before and after pictures, how it has been working on them. So guys, it is very important that you buy original stuff. You know, a lot of people sell fake stuff, so be rest assured that you're getting the original. If you get the original, even some of this organic come in fake. I once bought shea butter that was green in color, and I was wondering how come. So it's very important that you get a good vendor to buy your ingredients from, so that you can get the best and very effective results. So guys, this is it. This is a super one that I've given out, and I'm looking forward to having reviews from you guys. So right now I'm going to be turning this into my container. So turn this into your container.
The day natural, make your body fine and glow natural, pure bliss, very nice and so natural.